Geocaching as a hobby has a great deal of jargon, much like any other hobby. A few of the words associated with geocaching are on this picture. However, there are more listed on the associated webpage. FTF means first to find. A new geocache was placed, and you are the first one to find it. TB stands for travel bug. Travel bugs are fun coded objects that have traveled around the world and that you log and then move to another cache for someone else to move along. DNF means did not find. It means that the cache was supposedly there, but you went and looked and you just could not find it. GC obviously stands for geocache, and TFTC stands for thanks for the cache. That one is especially fun to use when maybe there was one that was a bit of a challenge or a puzzle or fun, and it just lets the person who placed the cache know that they did a great job. Otherwise, there are a lot of other elements of caching, trophies and trekking and directions and nighttime caches and backpacking, because caches are kind of everywhere, that are used in this nice collage concerning geocaches.